In this question, we are going to try to solve this equation of log and we'll try to get x value. You can use calculators for this, so you can keep your calculators handy. So how to solve this question? Let us see. So in the question, it was given that log x to the base 3 plus log x to the base 2 is equal to 1. The first and the foremost thing which we need to do for this question is we will apply change of base formula. So I will by default set the base to 10 because 10 is like a default base. So it's not required to write. So we can just apply the formulas like this, and on the other side it is 1 only. I'll just quickly tell you that what is the change of base formula. So if we have log of a to the base b, it can be written as log of a over log of b to any base of our choice. This base can be anything, that's why I'm not writing any specific base. So I hope that till here the steps are clear. In the next step, we will take log x common because it is there in both the terms. It will be taken out common. After that, we are left with 1 over log 3 plus 1 over log 2. We'll take the LCM of that. That will give me log 2 plus log 3 over log 3 times log 2. On the other side, we have 1. Then here we have log a plus log b. There's a rule, if we have log a plus log b, that will be equal to log AB. With that logic, it will be equal to log of 2 times 3, that is log 6. So I can rewrite my expression as log 6 over log 3 times log 2. That is equal to 1. Then when we will solve it from here, we can see that this whole term will be reciprocated, and after reciprocation, it will give me log 3 times log 2 over log 6 on the other side. So I will finally get log x is equal to log 3 times log 2 over log 6, and then I will take anti-log. The procedure for taking anti-log is that whatever is the base of this log on the left hand side, you can raise the whole right hand side as a power of that base. What I mean to say is, let me show you over here. So x will be equal to 10 raised to the power this whole thing, log 3 times log 2 over log 6. Now when we will plug these values in the calculator, we can directly get the answer from here. So now after this step, it's all calculator based question. Okay, so let us directly plug the value in the calculator. So we have 10 raised to the power, bracket open, log 3 bracket close, times log 2, and this is further divided by log 6. So when I will just solve this whole thing in the calculator, I'm getting the value of x as 1.53. You can also try doing it on your own and hopefully you should get the answer. So in this question, mainly we just discussed that how do we apply the property of logs. So this was the application part. Once we are done with the application of properties, how to take the anti-log. So in the last part of this question, we have taken anti-log, and after this, it's all calculator question. So I hope that the way I solved this question is clear to you. You can give it a try on your own as well. And if you face any difficulty, you can rewatch the same video. Hopefully you will get it then.